Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today in this video, let's do a quick unboxing of Soundmagic EC10 IEMs. These were purchased from Headphone Zone. The product link is available in the description below. The earphone box and a thank you card are included in the package. Let's have a quick look around the box. At the back you can see the earphones in a nice blue color, and at the bottom you can see the box contents. Let's open the box and take everything out. The earphones, which are extremely well packed, are the first thing that slides out. The second thing that comes out is a carrying case. It's a good quality case, and in the case we do get some extra ear tip and a mic speaker splitter. The headphones are of very high quality. You also get an inline mic with volume controller. The overall quality of this earphone is good, as they sound quality when used with a DAC.